Kwanza okwedo weche mosebedo ka liekoreni juang jatend piny mane osedhi retire Uhuru Kenyatta. Jaloso lo piny owacho Isaac Mwaura wacho ni sirkal mar Kenya Kwanza dhi mbele kod chiwo arita makare ne jatend piny machon kolero ni osechulo jatend piny machon Uhuru Kenyatta omenda maromo $48 maromre kod osara mar higa achiel kaachiel kod omenda mabalang' michule dwe ka dwe kod okuma mar thieth bende miye kod familia mare. Mwaura bende wacho ni jatend piny machon pod nitiere kod obila mamiye arita makare kaachiel kod jotije madirom 33,000 matiyone. Kanyamburko bende nitiere ma omiye kaka chike yango.
President Uhuru Kenyatta has received a lump sum payment of 48 million Kenya shillings, equivalent to 1 year's salary for each of the 2 terms he has served. 48 million. Additionally, he receives a monthly pension of 1.6 million Kenya shillings and monthly allowances actually of another 1 million shillings, so that's a total of 2.6 million. He also benefits from a comprehensive medical and hospital cover worth Kenya shillings 20 million for both local and overseas treatment for himself and his spouse. Importantly, all these benefits are exempt from tax. He is entitled to 2 new cars of his choice that should be replaceable every 3 years with an engine capacity of at least 3,000 cc. A retired president is entitled to about 34 staff. The office of the 3rd retired president already has 33, so they have one more slot that they can ask for because they are the ones who supplied the list of the 33. On top of the 33 staff, the former head of state continues to enjoy VIP protection, and all of his homes are well and heavily guarded by the police.